So for my tech stack, I'm using two forms. That is for mobile and then web. For the mobile, I'll be using Flutter with Dart, and mostly I've been using Firebase I've been connecting the Firebase for database and for backend and other stuff. But for the web version, I'm using the React family. That is either Vite or Next.js. So I use that to do my work, and I also use Node sometimes. Then also for database, either I use MongoDB or I use Firebase. But for this project, I'm going with Firebase and Next.js. And then for the extension, the Chrome extension, I'm going to use Vite with Firebase. Alright, by the way, I'm from Africa. To be specific, I'm from the country Ghana, and I look forward to travel around Africa and around the world. And I'm not going to travel alone. I'm going to travel with you. Alright, so let's pick up from where I left from, which was when I was getting the errors with my code. Let's talk. Let me just dive right into my machine and show you guys what I was working on. Alright, let me just share my screen. Alright, so 0, there's no conversation, there's nothing over here. So maybe I switch to ChatGTP, any of the conversations, and I just do this, and just click here and paste it here, and then click on generate. Going to load and say, okay, section has been created. Alright, that's nice. And then immediately I come here. Wow, the section has been created over here. So immediately I click here, I'm going to see this. And for this image, I manually placed it there. I'll be working on. It's still not loading at the moment. I'll look for it to just bring it. So whatever is here is also here. I'm looking forward to style it properly so that everything will work very, very fine. So as you can see, guys, this is just a conversation that is going to just extend it. So your friend or colleague can continue chatting with ChatGPT whilst you still have access to, like, you can still watch the conversation that is going on. So almost everything. So really, like almost everything. Yeah, it ends here. Yeah, exactly. And I'm looking forward to just style it and then see how best everything is going to go. So I'm receiving a lot of advices and other stuff from you guys, which I'm very, very happy with. Guys, I'm open to every single advice and then every single tip I'm going to need to improve upon. Like, I'm not only me, but mostly all of us. If you're having that expertise and you can share with us, if I'm doing any mistake and you think, no, this thing can be corrected, please, I'm open to listen to all what you're going to say. One of you just said I should be taking my time and then not stressing myself working so much, and I did. If you can see, this week I didn't really pay my attention to the coding and other stuff. Guys, I'm very open and I'm not going to stress myself, and I'm going to take my time and then get things done. So I'm very happy about everything. So I love you guys, and back to work. Alright, so I just realized my views are starting to drop, which I'm not quite liking it. What I'm trying to do is this. I'm trying to be an entrepreneur and trying to be a content creator. I'm trying to merge these two in this series. So this BTX series, I'm not stopping. I'm still going to continue it. But what I'm going to do is this. Alright, so I'm coming up with a new strategy, which is to create variety of shows on my platform. Why am I saying that? So, I was having the Mighty Mike, who was into content creation and then creating stuff, whilst there is Mighty Boateng, who is also creating stuff on the other side, which is the entrepreneurship. So I want to try and then still focus on the Mighty Mike and also focus on Mighty Boateng, and then create these two directions and see how far it's going to go. So that's what I'm going to come up with, and then see how far it's going to go. Back to business. Wait, for the variety show to come on, you have to activate it. hit the subscribe button right now to activate the variety show now. Thanks for activating it.